And it's dominated my thoughts, for all these years. And I can honestly say that for all the awe people have about artificial intelligence, we have failed miserably. The algorithms are nothing new. They came about in the 50s. And we're not even close to replicating what a 2-year-old does naturally. Not even close. I am Lisa Hammitt. I am from San Francisco, California, actually born in San Francisco, California, which is a bit unusual. And I am an artificial intelligence person. So what that means is that for 28 years, it's been a journey. It's taken me from running Watson at IBM.
At IBM, we believe that great things happen when you share knowledge and insight, and now we can get you to that dark data, the data that's on the edge, to bring all the assets to bear through the cloud.
Looking at advanced computer vision for diagnostics at UCSF.
A perfect confluence of data science, wearables, and community cloud management.
All the way to understanding the next generation of advertising.
Beseeq puts in front of you the content based on very targeted information that comes from the AI algorithm.
All the way to kind of advanced robotics and some of the areas that Davidson touches. So I've had a lifelong love of the brain. When you're at Berkeley and you're 17, everybody says to you, oh, you have to be a doctor. So I, of course, went down that path, and I was going to specialize in neurology. So the question was I going to go into research? Was I going to double down on a strength in math and science? And so I chose the latter, chose a different path. But even in choosing that path, what I learned about how our own brains work and trying to reverse engineer that into a system just has become that problem I can't let go. So why Huntsville? If you think about where artificial intelligence will see it hit its stride, it's going to be when we actually have available systems that can do wide ranges of probability scenarios, because it's the access to the data and it's the access to the compute power. But it's already happening here in Huntsville. So the quantum people and the AI people, now that we're coming of age, we're flocking here. When you come here and you're not from here, the first thing that you recognize when you're in a intelligence mecca like Huntsville is you say, oh my gosh, it's kind of the good quadrant people, right? So you end up having nice people who are also really smart. Now, I don't know who wouldn't opt in to living in a community like that. I'm just part of a trend that's now really on its upward swing. Imagine your whole career leading up to this moment, that you get a chance to reimagine the toughest AI problem that exists.